Have you ever found yourself trying to process data in Kafka only to hit a wall when it comes to transforming a single record into multiple records? It can be a real challenge, but don't worry. Today, we're diving into how to achieve this using Kafka Streams. I totally understand your frustration. Many developers face similar issues when working with Kafka Streams, especially when they need to split a single record into multiple outputs. You're definitely not alone in this. Let's take a closer look at your specific question. You mentioned that you have two topics in Kafka, topic A and topic B. You want to read a record from topic A, process it, and produce multiple records, like record A and record B. Sound familiar? Let's explore how to make this happen. So how does this work? In Kafka Streams, you can use the map values function to transform your input record into a list of output records. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to create multiple records from a single input. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a pro tip that will help you optimize your Kafka Streams applications even further. To achieve the desired functionality in Kafka Streams, the user should start by reading records from topic A. This can be done using the KStream API to create a stream from the topic. Next, the user needs to process each record to generate multiple records. This is done by mapping the values of the stream using a value mapper. The user should implement the logic to handle the incoming message and return a list of messages. After processing the records, the user should split the list of messages into two separate streams. This can be achieved using the flat map method, which allows the user to emit multiple records from a single input record. Finally, the user can send the split records to their respective topics. This is done by using the to method on each stream to specify the target topic. Fun fact, Kafka was originally developed at LinkedIn to handle their massive data streams. Now it's one of the most popular tools for real-time data processing. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user suggests that after using the map values function, you will have a K stream with a key type K and a value that is a list of messages. If K is not a string, you can use the map function to convert K into a string while keeping the list of messages unchanged. Here's that pro tip I promised. Always monitor your Kafka Streams applications for performance. This will help you identify bottlenecks and optimize your processing logic. And there you have it. You now know how to transform a single record into multiple records using Kafka Streams. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on Kafka and data processing.